Hi everyone, Ashmita here, back with a trailer reaction right now. And yes, I will be reacting to the official trailer of Bro Daddy, which stars Mohanlal, Prithviraj, and many more. And this will stream on Disney Plus Hotstar on 26th of Jan. So yes, the day I think I published the teaser reaction, that day only a couple of hours back, prior to that, the trailer had dropped, and well, I made a lot of guesses in the teaser. I don't know if something is gonna get revealed in the trailer or not, because it's almost a 3-minute trailer. But knowing Malayalam cinema now, at least I know that they cut the trailer in such a way that you don't get any idea of the film. So let's see what this trailer gives us out. The teaser was more or less like a character introduction thingy. So of course we'll get more of the storyline here from the trailer. So let's watch Bro Daddy official trailer. Okay.
നമ്മുടെ പുതിയ കുരിശുപള്ളിയുടെ പണി നടക്കുക. കമ്പയായിട്ടുള്ളത് കമ്പയായിട്ടും കാശായിട്ടുള്ളത് കാശായിട്ടുമാണ് ഞാൻ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നത്.
അച്ഛൻ എന്നാന്ന് വെച്ചാലേ മൊത്തത്തിൽ ബിസിനസ് ആകണ്ടല്ല, അതൊക്കെ അത് ശരിയാക്കി എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഈ പരസ്യം തന്നെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
Didn't he say his business was down? I can see a Louis Vuitton shoes.
உங்க அண்ணனா
அப்பா
അവൻ എന്നെ ചൊറിചൊറുക്കാം. പിന്നെ ആ പേരും
ഈശോ
നിർത്തി നിർത്തി പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്ക്.
ഈശോ ജോൺ കാറ്റാടി.
ഇത് കാറ്റത്താടില്ല, വെരി വെരി സ്ട്രോങ്.
ചോര
ഈശോ, അയ്യോ,
ഒരു
He's definitely not strong.
മറ്റേടത്ത് വർത്താനം പറയരുത്.
എന്താ ഗുണം എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നല്ല ഡിസിപ്ലിനാ.
He's definitely not disciplined.
നീ എവിടെയാന്ന് പറയടാ പട്ടി.
ഉഗാണ്ട
ഉഗാണ്ട്
നമുക്കവളെ ഇവന് വേണ്ടി ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ചാലോ?
പിന്നെന്താ?
സാർ എങ്ങനെ സാർ, അവൻ അടിപൊളിയല്ലേ?
അവനൊന്നും ശരിയാകത്തില്ല. അവനേക്കാൾ നല്ലൊരു പരസ്യക്കാരനെ ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുവരും.
Oh, Sobin looks like the matchmaker.
അപ്പൻ ഈശോ അത്രയ്ക്ക്
സ്വാഭാവികം.
ഈ സമൂഹത്തിൽ എനിക്കുള്ള വില അതിനെ കുറിച്ച് ചിന്തിച്ചോ?
അതിന് സമൂഹത്തിൽ നിനക്ക് എന്നാ വിലയാടാ?
ഇതവൻ മനഃപൂർവ്വം ചെയ്തതാ, ഒരു സംശയമില്ല.
എന്തോ
നീ എന്തിനാടാ എപ്പോ കണ്ടാലും അയാളുടെ നെഞ്ചത്തോട്ട് കയറുന്നത്?
He's giving me the sitcom vibes.
ഇവിടെ എത്തിയ
നമുക്ക് ഒളിച്ചോടിയാലോ?
പക്ഷേ ഒരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്.
അതെന്നെ
അന്നേ
ഓ
ആ ഇത് തന്നെ കുഴപ്പം. അന്നേന്ന് വിളിച്ച അവളും നോക്കും അമ്മയും നോക്കും. ഫുൾ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ.
അപ്പൊ ഇനി എങ്ങനാ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ?
ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.
താങ്ക് യു.
അപ്പൊ ഇതിന് കാശൊക്കെ ഒരുപാടായി കാണുമല്ലോ.
അതിനപ്പോ നമ്മൾ കാശ് നോക്കില്ല.
Oh, this ending was cute. A little meta. Okay. They gave out nothing of the storyline. See, I knew that. I've come to expect this from Malayalam cinema trailers, film trailers, is that they just give you a glimpse of the film, and even in almost a 3-minute trailer, they barely gave out, like, the entire editing of this trailer is so inconsistent. It's like, it's just giving you a glimpse of, okay, how the world is going to be. And what I got is that this is going to be like a very, very situational comedy kind of film, and very, very, like, it's going to depend on those moments where you, in a proper sitcom, where you see that the sarcastic dialogues, the background score is like that, the expressions are like that, so you can see those expressions, those kind of expressions in the trailer. So I think a lot of those kind of moments have been included. That's what it gave me. Also, really cannot comment on like how the story, it seems to be like a very simple storyline, which will play into more chaos. We'll see. And like I said in my teaser reaction also, from what I got looking at the teaser, and now I'm pretty sure after watching the trailer also that yes, it's a good thing that this is getting released on OTT, because this looks like a movie which would probably be enjoyable more in OTT, watching in a smaller screen than people going into the theaters. That's what some movie experiences are like that only, I feel. That's just my personal opinion. Your opinion can definitely differ. And wow, now this would be my first viewing of Prithvi Raj as a director, because I have not seen Lucifer. So it'll be very interesting to see how he directs a comedy film. And I have said this numerous times before also, is that to do comedy is probably the most difficult thing. It's more difficult to do comedy than compared to a thriller or romance or whatever. This is again my personal opinion, but I always feel that to make someone laugh is a much more difficult thing than to make someone cry, because it's really not an easy job. And it'll be interesting to see how Prithvi Raj has directed this kind of a comedy, proper out and out comedy, family drama. This is a family film. You can just see from the looks and feel of it that this is a family film. And Mohanlal, of course, Lalita is known as known to be having such a great comic timing in so many films of him and Priyadarshan. He can do slapstick comedy as well, he can do subtle comedy as well, and whatever limited works of Mohanlal, at least in comedy, if I have to really like, I don't know, I cannot really count Chitram as comedy. It's because the ending of course becomes more serious, but yeah, it has its comedy beats, even in Manichitratar. But though these two movies, if I talk about old classic films, they are more into subtle, very subtle comedy, because Chitram, I feel, has really amazing comic moments and in a very subtle way. This looks more loud if you see the cinematography also, and the coloring. I don't know who's the colorist. It's everything is popping out. Literally, the sets and visuals, if you see, so it gives you that very bright, like you can move your eyes away from the sets and the look of the film. So it has a very bright vibe. So this is definitely not going to be subtle comedy, but I am pretty sure like Mohanlal is known for his comic timing and all of that. So I'm really excited to see him donning this role, and will be very interesting to see him in this avatar after Marakkar. And Sobin of course has amazing comic timing. He looks to be like the matchmaker, because that's what, from that one dialogue where he said that, did you like him or not? And let's see, because they didn't give out any of the storyline, but definitely the girl's father is not in approval of the marriage. He said that I'll get a better advertising guy, and then you see another hero's entry, the supporting actor. So it looks like a very simple storyline, and let me know if you're looking forward to it. This is more like a holiday weekend kind of watch that you can just chill, and it's something like it's not creating that hype also. It knows where it stands, that yes, we are a family film. Please come and watch this film, enjoy with your family. That's the vibe that I got from it. What are your thoughts? Please let me know in the comments. And that was the reaction, guys, and those are my thoughts on Bro Daddy trailer. And yes, that's it. Like literally, I am totally lost on the storyline here. I cannot, like, I did my guesswork already in the teaser, but here, like I said, it was just random clips of the film put in together to give you a sense and a bit of idea that yeah, this is what you can expect, that this rift between two families and this love story going on, and then all the chaos around it basically. So yes, let's see how the movie turns out, and yeah, the final verdict is only going to be after 26. Do let me know after you watch it if you liked it or not. And yes, with that I will end the video here, signing off now, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.